Also, instead of arrow functions, you could use here regular functions. Let me show you how to do that, and let's modify some method. Let's remove this arrow function from here, and let's type function. And afterwards, let's immediately add pair of parentheses like that. Add here two parameters, a and b. And now here will be function body, and let's return a plus b. Let's save changes, and let's actually call sum here instead of mult, like that. And now I see 5 as a result of this function call. That's how you could use actually anonymous regular function, because this function doesn't have name, as value of particular key in the object. You could go ahead either with this syntax or this syntax. Also, it's possible to shorten this syntax and remove function keyword. And you need to remove this colon from here and function keyword like that. Let's save changes, and now I get same result as before. It is also a method.